The first thing I want to say is that this project is made possible in large part by my generous supporters on Patreon, and also more recently my new channel members. I started building the saw, and it's going to be in a series of smaller sub-assemblies, and I'm actually starting in the middle of the machine with the most difficult part to make, and that's the lift and tilt assembly. And in this video, I want to show the lift mechanism in action. And to do that, I had to set up this frame, I guess you could call it, to hold the lift and tilt assembly in place so that I can configure something to push and pull on the lift bar. If you're familiar with my router lift, it works on the same principle. It uses an incline plane, and when I push the lift bar ahead, it actually lowers the blade, and when I pull it back towards me, it raises it up. The lift carriage is separate from the outer tilt carriage part, and it glides up and down on steel bearings. And the benefit of these is that I can get a very precise fit. They're low friction and they won't wear out quickly. There are a couple of really big benefits with this type of lift action. First is that you can really precisely set the depth of cut. And once it's set, you don't have to lock it, it's self-locking. And also the center of the cut is completely vertical through the range of motion. And that's a really handy thing to have in certain circumstances. Anyway, that's it for now. I did film all of the build for this, and I'm putting that video together now, and hopefully I should have it by this weekend. But it's important to remember that this is just the first building block, I guess you could say, in what will be a very big project. So you have to be patient. It's going to take some time.